Welcome back everyone. In this previous video, we learned how WhatsApp send normal text messages, right? But today we are talking about something completely different. Like we're talking about images, videos, document, voice note, like the attachment which you send to other person. You might think WhatsApp treat all of them exactly like text. It does not. In fact, WhatsApp has an entirely different system for media. Let's understand why. Imagine sending the word hello to your friend. That message is only 5 characters. Even with metadata and encryption, the total packet of that text is very small. And now imagine sending a 2 GB video to your friend. Obviously, WhatsApp cannot simply place that huge file inside the same packet used for text. If it did, sending message would become slow for everyone. Instead, WhatsApp separates text from media. Text travels to the message system. Media travels to the dedicated encrypted media pipeline, as you could see in the first diagram. Right? We have got differences between the text and media, how they are being evaluated by the WhatsApp. The second one, we have got the diagram for sending a photo. Suppose I select a vacation photo from a gallery. When I press send, then WhatsApp does not immediately upload the original image. Several steps happen at first. The application analyzes the image. Depending upon its settings and the media type, it will compress the image to reduce the bandwidth while preserving reasonable quality. If you choose to send as a document, it generally avoids image compression. That's why whenever you are sending image by making a document, the image quality does not decrease. Next comes encryption. Notice something very important. The image itself is encrypted before leaving your device. This means if someone intercepts the uploaded file, they could not view it with proper encryption key. And here we have some basic steps for the encryption. That is, the original image, holiday or JPG, is transferred into encrypted data. The encrypted version looks like a random information. Even WhatsApp media servers are designed to store the encrypted file rather than the readable file. This is why WhatsApp says your media is protected using end-to-end encryption. Why? Because WhatsApp server cannot look after your image or any kind of other document. The server stores these encrypted parts, not your actual paragraph. Now comes another interesting part. Every media file receives its own encryption key. This is separate from encryption, protecting the message itself. Think of the media key as the unique key to one locked box. Each box gets its own key. The encrypted file is uploaded. Meanwhile, the key is shared securely with the recipient as part of encrypted message metadata. Without the key, the downloaded file remains unreadable. Now, this is where people become curious. What happens if I send a 2 GB video then? Does WhatsApp upload one enormous file? No. Large files are divided in smaller pieces called as chunks. Instead of waiting for the entire file to finish uploading, the app uploads chunk after chunk into the server. This approach has several advantages. If your internet is connected briefly, the application may only need to retrieve the missing chunks rather than starting from the beginning. Chunk transfer also allows the network to manage large upload more efficiently. After all chunks arrive, the encrypted file is assembled and is stored in WhatsApp media infrastructure. The storage system assigns a unique media identifier. It also creates a download reference. Notice something carefully. The chat itself does not contain the entire image. Instead, it contains metadata describing where the encrypted media can be retrieved and the information needed by authorized recipient devices to decrypt it. Let's compare for a text message. The message contains the content itself, and for media, the chat message mostly contains information about the media. For example, the media identifier, its encrypted download location, a cryptographic hash for integrity checking, its size, and a small preview known as the thumbnail. The actual image stays in encrypted media storage until a recipient downloads it. Now here, something we have probably noticed. Sometime you receive a photo, you immediately see a preview. Why? Because the preview and the original image are different. The chat message include a tiny thumbnail or preview representation. The full encrypted image is downloaded separately, often only were required depending on the settings and whether automatic media download is enabled. This technique saves both bandwidth and storage. This whole process is called as lazy loading. Instead of downloading every video, photo and document immediately, WhatsApp can delay downloading some media until you open the conversation or tap the file, depending on your auto download preferences. Imagine being in 10 active group chats. If every video downloaded instantly, your storage and mobile data will disappear very quickly. Lazy downloading keeps the app efficient. Now, this is one of the most commonly asked questions. Why do old photos sometimes disappear? The answer is surprisingly simple. Remember, the server is not intended to be a permanent photo album. Its job is just to deliver the encrypted media. If one of your device have never downloaded the media before the server-side copy is removed, according to WhatsApp retention policies, that device may later display of image or message saying the media is no longer available. However, any device that already downloaded and kept the file locally can continue showing it because it no longer depends on the server copy. At this point, viewers will understand about 70% of WhatsApp media architecture. The next episode will cover the remaining advanced topic like content delivery network, why downloads are fast worldwide, adapting media quality, cache management, or multi-device media synchronization, retry logic for failed downloads, expiring downloads URL, delete for everyone in media, view once video, status upload, voice note, document, backup versus media storage, and the complete end-to-end media sequence diagram from sender to every link device. Hope this video has helped a lot. Now be prepared for the next episode. We'll learn a lot of things in next part about the WhatsApp media handling.